How to sell ebooks on Alibaba. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I will be teaching you on how you will be able to start selling your ebook, which is a digital product, on Alibaba. Now, there is no direct way to be able to actually sell a digital product or a digital download wherein once the customer buys that specific product, they will be able to receive the PDF file or whatever file type your ebook has. Now, since there is no direct feature or there isn't really a feature that will allow you to do that, we will be using an alternative, or I will be discussing later on in the video, an alternative that you could use and you could do to be able to still sell your digital product in Alibaba and have it pull off wherein once they buy it, they will be able to receive the PDF. Now, aside from that, we will also show you on how you could effectively start selling your Alibaba ebook in Alibaba. We will be showing you how you could do it instead of just posting your poster or your front page of the ebook in Alibaba just like a flat picture. We will be showing you how you will be able to present it better so that you could potentially attract more customers for your product. Now, since there is no direct way to be able to actually have the digital download like I mentioned earlier, what you will be doing as an alternative is that when you add a product in Alibaba, right now over here, this is the seller page wherein you will be able to like fix your different stores and products over here, different information. What you're going to do is that when you post the product of your ebook, you're going to have to, of course, put like description on it, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to have to put information that indicates that this is an ebook, this is a digital product. Of course, you have to inform them about that, have more details explaining this is not a physical product, and that once the product is bought, what they're going to do is they're going to reach out to you, or rather, you yourself as the seller will reach out to them once the product is sold. So for that product, I suggest that you don't enable cash on delivery. It should be paid upfront, online payment, so that once the payment push through and once your product or your sale is confirmed, you can simply reach out to that specific customer, maybe chat them through your account and say or send them the file of the product of the ebook that you have. So that is how you will be able to do it. It's a bit manual, yes, but you will still be able to pull off selling an ebook or a digital product in Alibaba or even in other platforms out there that doesn't support the feature that allows you to download something or like allows you to upload digital that will be automatically downloaded once they buy a product. So that is how you will be able to do it. Now, we will show you how you will be able to present your ebook in a better way or a good way so that you could at least attract customers to buy your product. Now, we will be creating a design rather or like this type of display image for your product in Canva. You will be using this platform, which is a very useful platform in my opinion. It has hundreds and thousands of different elements that you could use to build your ebook cover. Now, if you already have an ebook cover, of course, you could use that. But if you don't, you could create a new ebook cover in Canva. Or even if you have already an existing ebook cover, you could also create another one in Canva just for fun. Now, over here in Canva, don't worry, by the way, this is absolutely for free. What you're going to do after you log in is you're simply going to click on this search bar and search for the word ebook. Once you search this, this will allow you to look and see this ebook cover option over here. This will show you all the different templates that are related to ebook, as you can see here. Now, all of the templates that you are seeing right now, you will be able to use them and customize them however you want. It depends on you, but I suggest that you don't copy it like entirely. Make some changes, make it unique, make it something that you created. And the purpose of the template is that the size of the cover page is the correct size. So you will be able to have the correct sizing and it will look like a book after you created it. So you could either choose from the different options over here, different templates, or we could build our own. So we will be building our own. Create a blank. Of course, I'm not going to be showing you on how you will be able to create an ebook. Let's assume that we already have our ebook and it's ready to go. You are ready to download and sell it. So we will just be creating a front page for our ebook. Now, assuming our ebook topic is about pets or how you could take care of cats. So we will be creating an ebook that relates or is related to cats. So over here on the left side, the main things that you could use in Canva are the elements over here, the text and uploads. So you could use all of these elements and put them together and create something amazing. So let's go and create our cat related ebook. So let's search for cat. And when you click on graphics, you will be able to see all the different photos or graphical art related to cats. So you can simply build your own design using all of these options that you are seeing right now. So depending on your preferences or your creativity, of course, you will be able to build an amazing design. So for example, this one, you could take this, make it bigger. There we go. Then you could add a lot of designs in the background. That is one of the ways. Or it could be more unique. And for example, we have this. Then we could search for cat tower. There we go. Let's see all over here. Then let's look for different elements that we could check out. Or let's say building. Click on search. Let's look for a building that we could check out. For example, this one. We could make this into a building. Or we could use this one. Depending on your creativity on how you will be able to pull this off. This all depends on your idea of a good style. So let's simply add this to our canvas right now. There we go. I'm thinking of making it similar to a very big cat, like a Catzilla or a cat climbing on a big tower of a city, of course. Then we will be able to have that as our main design for today's video. So I'm just looking for something very good that could allow us to show the idea that I am thinking of right now. So for example, this one, let's keep it simple, make it bigger, of course, and let's put it in the center of the frame, tiny bit, make it smaller. There we go. Then we can now copy our cat over here, put it on the left side. There we go. Then we have now our cat grabbing on our very big tower over here. So let's fix it. Click on position, forward it. There we go. Let's fix our alignment a bit so that it's exactly close to our building. There we go. Now we have our cat over here. Now we can change the background to any color that we want. Let's go and search for background over here to have some idea on what color we could go with. So a lot of different options over here. For example, this one. It's a bit hard to see on our video, but it's there. Position it to the back. There we go. And then let's go and search for another cat, I guess. Let's go for search cat. Click on see all. And I saw a cat that I liked earlier, which is this one over here. Cat sleeping. We could make this a bit smaller. And there we go. Now we have the illusion that we have a cat hiding behind a building and a cat on top of our building. Now, what we can do next is click on text and look through the different font groups over here that could allow us to create an amazing title for our cat ebook over here. So, for example, let's go with this one over here. Put it in this section. Then let's change the word. Let's fix our sizing. There we go. Then 101. There we go. Now, this is just a random title that I made. It's not really that great, but you get the idea. This is how you will be able to build your ebook. And after that, you're going to simply click on share, click on download, and download it as a PNG. Now we're not done yet. You're going to open another page. Then you're going to upload the cat that you have just downloaded to Canva once again. Then we will be using the different elements that we have. Like we're going to select this. Let's wait for it to finish uploading. Then we will be able to have the option to edit it by clicking this edit image. Now we're simply going to scroll down and you will be able to see this mockup over here. Now you have a lot of mockups available for us. You could use a phone to show your ebook, or you could actually scroll down to the bottom almost and you will be able to find the option to have a book over here. But as you can see, you will be able to see our mockup over here. There we go. Or we could use this mockup of an ebook that we could have instead. And so wait, and there we go. Let's simply click on apply. And now we have our very own profile for our product that is an ebook. Now you could do this for your ebook covers, your designs, all of that, you can do this method. Then you can simply go to Alibaba over here, go to products and upload the product, the ebook product that you have, and then you will be able to sell that ebook in Alibaba. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.